How it is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we have a full Lucario sweep. And let me say one thing. Doing a sweep with this thing is an pain because I am not playing singles. In singles, it is very easy, but I am playing doubles because of coaching. Coaching raises our attack and defense of our ally. So yeah, and I wanna do double battles. So use coaching in part of new move challenge. And doing sweep in doubles is more frustrating than singles because in singles, if your opponent outspeed you and 10 damage, if you lose them, you will one hit KO them most guaranteedly. But in doubles, you one hit KO the opponent, there is another Pokemon, so it will KO you. So it's very hard to sweep in doubles. And as I said in the last video, my sweeping Pokemon is gonna use the new move, my ally Pokemon, and to go through and to go through what I'm gonna say, to round off that things. And like Shedinja, I used Among Us, Butterfree and Whimsicott. Among Us and Butterfree for redirecting with Rage Powder, Whimsicott for that pesky Shedinjas. Among Us and Butterfree doesn't help in the final battles, and Whimsicott helped in the final battle with Leech Seed. And I done 3 sweeps with Lucario. I done 3 sweeps with this thing, but the first 2 sweeps doesn't for some reason doesn't uploaded in replays. So I wanna do a third time, and thankfully it uploaded into replays. And okay, let's go through every new move from what we done. I'm not gonna say them in order, I will say randomly. We done Meteor Beam, Surging Strikes, Flip Turn, Rising Voltage, Grassy Glide, Corrosive Gash, Cell Side Arm, Expanding Force, Burning Jealousy, Scorching Chance, Triple Axle, Coaching, Poltergeist, Scale Shot, Dual Wing Beat, Skitter Smack, Lash Out, Wicked Blow, Steel Roller, and finally Misty Explosion. And okay, let's quickly go through this Lucario set. Item is expectable as I'm doing from my last 5 sweeps, I think. Ability is Justify. What Justify does it? If we hit by and dark type move, it will raise our attack. And we have Meteor Mash, Earthquake, Close Combat, and Bullet Punch. And our Riolu have Coaching with the Prankster. Coaching goes first, so we will get an instant attack. Free bulk up on our Lucario. Among Us and Butterfree for redirecting. Whimsicott for just outspeeding and lead seeding. And yeah, I'm gonna see you guys in the battle. Oh shit, it took 3 minutes. Hey guys, you're in the battle. I'm gonna play the battle. Enjoy this sweep. At the start of the battle, I send out my Lucario and my Riolu. I send out his Shedinja and Havalucha. I used Coaching on my Lucario. Used Entrainment and give me Slimber. I used Meteor Mash, which doesn't kill. And the Shedinja mimicked it, and the Shedinja is to protect, but I used Bullet Punch and killed the Havalucha. My Royal used Coaching. General is Zaravora, which had a balloon. I used Coaching. He used Power Up Punch. I used Meteor Mash to pop the balloon. And he used Entrainment and he gave Wonder Guard to his Zaravora. But thankfully, okay, he used Power Up Punches, which didn't request. But thankfully, I had Earthquake on my Lucario. I was running that Rock Slide, but thankfully, that's it. And I used Coaching again. I used Meteor Mash on Togekiss too. I used Fisher's Rend. He sent out his Shedinja. I used my Riolu to use Coaching. I used Earthquake. He is immune from Wonder Guard. My Riolu and his Dracovish fainted. He sent out his Blissey. I sent out my Whimsicott. I used Leech Seed. KO'd the Blissey, even if it registered Berry. And the Shedinja used toxic on my Whimsy Scott, and the Shedinja fainted. That's it for this sweep, guys. And I successfully completed a new challenge in the Isle of Armor. When the Crown Thunder comes out, I want to do another new challenge. But I have full playlist on the new challenge. I'll see you guys in the next sweep video. Peace out. I hope you enjoy this. It is normal. It's longer than the normal sweep videos. Peace.